So I'm going to show you how to make my smashed burgers with cheese and caramelized onions, maybe a little champagne at the end.
Perfect.
You're going to cook with me?
I am.
Okay, good.
Put me to work.
Okay, so we're starting with 1¼ pounds of ground beef.
Okay.
And it's 20% fat and 80% lean.
Okay.
Okay? And then we're going to season it a little bit. So you want to put in 1½ teaspoons of ground mustard.
1½ and why
I
ground?
like the heat of the ground mustard.
Okay.
And then 1½ teaspoons of salt.
Okay.
Do you measure when you cook?
Only because I learned it from you.
Excellent, right answer.
Yeah. Okay.
And then ½ teaspoon of pepper.
Okay. And I know, were burgers being served at the original Barefoot store?
No, because things weren't made to eat right away. It was a specialty food store. It was a takeout, so we never made hamburgers.
Okay.
Okay, who's going to dive in? And we can do it with a spoon or we can do it with our hands.
Isn't a chef's best tool his hands?
Yeah. Who said that? Do you want to do it?
Can I
Go
do
for
it?
Yep,
Okay.
absolutely. So the key to this is don't press it together. Just keep it light.
Yeah.
And just fluffy and mix it together. Because sometimes people, when they mix things, they kind of pound it down and it doesn't have that great flavor.
So, you know, after the couture shows, when we've been doing all-nighters and, you know, rounds of press and everything.
So you're wired for sound, right?
You're wired and you're also ready to fall apart, basically.
Yeah.
And I was wondering, when you're finishing a cookbook, what do you do? Is it a fall apart?
Go to Paris.
Yeah.
That's my favorite thing to do because I just know I'm going to relax there, I'm going to chill out, and I'm going to disconnect.
But you're like me, we have two speeds.
Yeah,
Like,
we have two speeds.
Like 100 and...
110 miles an hour and fast asleep.
Yeah.
There's nothing. There's no moderate in either of our worlds. Exactly. That looks perfect. It's really well mixed. Excellent. Okay, now we're going to form it into 4 burgers.
Okay.
Okay, so each one's a little more than ½ pound.
Okay.
And just form it in a ball and then flatten it like this.
How many burgers do you think you've done in your life? I'm
Not that
curious.
many, actually.
Really?
Yeah, I don't make hamburgers that much, but this is my favorite. I like to do this.
To me, hamburgers are like sandwiches.
Oh, really?
They taste better when someone else makes them for you in a weird way.
Oh, well then I should be making these for you. And the trick with these is that I freeze them for 15 minutes, and it just keeps the inside from overcooking, and it kind of holds the shape of the burgers.
Cool.
Who knew, right?
I definitely didn't.
It just seems to really work. Perfect. Okay, let's wash our hands first.
Okay.
So how was that so far?
This is good. Easy.
Easy.
Yeah, easy.
That's what I like, easy. Okay, I'm going to put them in the freezer.
Okay.
And I'll be right back, and we'll do the onions.
Okay, perfect.
So what I did was I have 2 onions, 2 red onions. They're just a little sweeter.
Okay.
And I just sauteed them for about 10 minutes, really low temperature so they don't brown. And then I'm going to add a little bit of sugar. So these are going to cook for about 10 minutes, and they're going to be really caramelized and sweet and delicious. And then I'm going to make the best burgers you've ever had.
Better than the Ritz.
I don't know.
I'm sure.
I hope so.
I'm sure.
My friend Daniel and I are making smashed burgers together. They're so good. Okay, you ready to cook?
Yes.
I think we only need to cook 2 of these, don't you?
I think 2 is cute for us.
Okay, fantastic. So the thing is, we put the hamburgers in. That's yours, that's mine.
Okay.
We're going to remember whose is whose.
Okay. Mine's a little bit bigger.
Right in. Okay, perfect.
Okay.
And then what you're going to do is take the spatula and smash them down. And what it does is create a crust on the bottom that's really great. Just like that. That's perfect. Okay, and mine too?
Yeah, I'm going to do yours. Okay.
Perfect. So those are going to cook for about 1.5 minutes on one side, and then we're going to turn them over. So, you know, I always think about whatever I did at Barefoot Contessa as like theater. I don't know, I feel like you must do that at Schiaparelli as well.
You know, you get 500 people in one space.
Yeah.
You get them for 15 minutes, and you
15
get
minutes? The whole show is 15 minutes?
The whole show is 15 minutes, and so you have to hit them where it hurts, basically. And the way to do that really is music. And I think a beloved song is always the best place to start.
That's exactly right. It's not something esoteric, something they really connect with.
Yeah.
It's familiar,
but
wonderful.
Yeah.
Okay, those smell really good, don't they?
They do.
Are you in charge of flipping them?
I can be. Okay.
Let's see how they are. Ah, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Fantastic. Okay, so those are going to cook for 1.5 minutes.
Okay.
And we're going to finish the onions. How's that?
Perfect.
Okay, you can just leave them.
And I don't smash them again, right?
Maybe a little bit.
A little bit?
Yeah, that's a good idea. Yeah, just like that.
Okay.
So the last thing for the onions is you put in, are you in charge of this?
I can be.
Okay, you put in about 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Just like that.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's perfect. And then you just cook it for just a minute. So what that does is that scrapes up all the little crusty bits. It
Yeah.
deglazes the pan.
All the flavor.
So all the flavor gets
Yeah.
into the onions, which is where you want it. Okay,
Great.
that's done. Okay, onions are ready, and the next thing is we're going to build the burgers.
Okay.
So first thing we're going to have is onions. I'm going to put some on each hamburger.
Okay.
You know, a big spoonful of onions,
Okay.
just like that. These are so good, you won't believe it.
It smells so good too.
And put a big pile of
Oh wow.
grated Gruyere on
Wow.
top. And then lid goes on. And since you have Dom Perignon at the Ritz, we had to have Dom Perignon. I mean, you know, it's a responsibility.
Wow. I feel so honored to have this with you.
So the key I learned about champagne is you turn the bottle, not the cork.
Oh, okay. Perfect.
Isn't that interesting?
Yeah.
I don't know
Easier.
why it works, but
Easier.
it works. Are you pouring champagne?
Yes. Pour madame.
I like being madame.
Do you miss speaking French?
My French is so bad. I
Yeah.
don't. Nobody misses me speaking French.
You know, I don't speak any of it.
You
Any of it. No.
Good. We can go out together then.
Yeah.
I won't be humiliated. To you. To
Cheers.
unbelievable success.
Thank
oh
you.
my God. So good. Okay, I think
so
it's
good.
done. Take that off. Hamburger on each one.
Okay. Like so.
Fingers are allowed. Perfect.
There we go.
And top on. And now you don't have to go to the Ritz.
Yeah.
You can have champagne and smashed burgers
Yeah.
at home.
Yeah. Cheers, Ina.
Isn't that good?
My God, that is the best burger I've ever had.
Really?
Yeah, I'm not just saying
The Ritz
it.
is in the rearview mirror.
Yeah, the Ritz who?
Ritz.
Ritz who?
Cheers.